Hi everybody, today I'm gonna talk to you about writing of the show Black Lightning and whatever this. Before we start, make sure you all subscribe to this channel because I make new videos every week. Now let's get started. I think that the show looks like a standalone show, like basically it doesn't need to tie in with the other characters like Superdraw or Arrow, which I think is a really great idea they done. Just that show needs to be. I like one show like that is independent and it to be more centered and things like that. It's pretty awesome that we don't need to worry about. We don't need to see his origin story. We can just focus on Black Lightning now, where he knows how the city is, Freeland city is, and we get to see him know what's really going on in that city and stuff. And I think that Jefferson Pierce character is a principal, is a pretty nice idea for it, that we can be around the other characters, like the students that matter. I think the Nessa character being a teacher in the same building as Spot is another great way to show how he to be a family man and a principal at the same time. I think the suit is pretty awesome, and I like the action in the end of each episode they do so far. And I think all the characters in this show have unique characteristics that made this series one of the best DC has ever done, because it has so much more to which is really awesome to see a show like this exist, especially now. I think the recent episode, the episode 4, was pretty nice. It was a pretty great episode. It was a pretty great episode, and I can't wait to keep watching the rest of the series. Let me know what you guys think about the Black Honey show. Do you like it? Do you not? And what type of other videos talked about when it comes to Black Lightning or DC TV shows? Let me know, and that's all I have for you today. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.